I'd like to welcome a new distinguished group of SAP Champions who are top contributors to the SAP community. And by their expertise, experience, and insights, they help other community members to gain the maximum out of the community experience. SAP Champions have a passion to share, educate, and influence, and they help building an inclusive and receptive environment in the SAP community. And to find out more about the new SAP Champions and the program itself, I recommend that you read through the blog post from my colleague Stephanie de Camara-Marley to find out what the new champions are most excited about in their new role and also how you can best connect with them. So please join me in welcoming the new champions by leaving a comment down below the blog post.
Hey everyone! SAP community groups allow us to connect people across shared interests and to have valuable conversations. I'm really happy to introduce you to our Welcome Corner. As the name would suggest, this group is inclusive of all SAP community members, whether new or you've been around for a while now. It's a friendly virtual space where you can meet like-minded people and have some lively discussions and build connections. Other benefits include getting tips on SAP Community and how to get the most out of your engagement there. Once you've set up a user profile for groups, you're all set. Find the Welcome Corner and don't forget to click on Join Group to get the most out of your user experience. Join the Welcome Corner today. Introduce yourself, tell us where you're from, what part of the world, and meet other like-minded individuals from the community and have some fun. Let the engagement begin.
So you're saying you know everything about SAP Community? Well, I'm not so sure. There's a new SAP Community tutorial. It's called Tour the SAP Community tutorial, and you will even earn a new badge for 2022 if you complete it. So I invite you to take the tutorial and let me know if you knew everything or if you learned something new. Have fun with the tutorial and I see you in the community.
Hello everyone, my name is Moshe Nave and I'm an SAP Community Advocate. Today I would like to talk to you about a new code challenge as a part of the SAP Community Spotlight for the month of July. This time it's about working with Kubernetes containers and the SAP BTP Schema runtime. The goal of the code challenge is that you have fun exploring potentially new territories in the tech world. The month of July is all about the SAP BTP Schema runtime, and that is why I invite you to join the Cloud Native Code Challenge. In this month's code challenge, you will explore the shores of cloud native development, especially the dunes of Kubernetes containerization and the SAP BTP Schema runtime. More details can be found in Kevin's blog post link from the intro of this video. Thank you.